Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this stamp set we're gonna take a closer look at the new One In A Melon stamp and coordinating die set. This stamp and coordinating die set is a part of Trinity Stamp's latest release called Sweet Summer, and the stamp set is created by Dani Studio, and you can see that it comes with this large 3x4 stamp set that you can stamp out in one go. But the coordinating dies are actually cutting apart this whole sentiment, and it contains 5 different stamps, and I will share a picture of that in the end here of the video. So for my little take here, you can see how nicely it stamps out, and just to be sure, I'm always using the Misty so I will get a perfect impression. But I will go ahead and watercolor this in using my watercolor markers, and you can see that this is super easy to get a nice blend, and also since these are larger images, they are really fun to color in and practice your coloring with. But I did a sort of a easy take on this today. And these are perfect for lunchboxes or small notes that you just want to hand out and share with people that you care about. So really fun and really easy stamp to use. So here you can see all of the pieces and how they cut out, and now I will leave you with some close-ups from the design team. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!